Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder that creates mobile apps for your website easily and quickly, with beautiful UI and rich features. Log into FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select your app on FluxBuilder. In this video, we will demonstrate one of our sample applications. This is the discount label. Now let's set up the color for the discount label. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel to get new videos for free. Thank you.